All right, we're on day one of getting this lift gate broke down and rebuilt. It's gonna be a challenge, but it's gonna be fun. Got the shop heated up. We're ready to go. So, the process, what do you have in mind? How are you planning to start this? Demo the thing first, or put it together first?
Little of both. What I'd like to try and do is get the hinge location established on the new metal, and then we can basically tack weld the outer frame. Then we can remove this old gate and set the new framework in place and double check with the hinges to be sure that everything's going to operate without running into any problems. Then we'll take it back off and finish the construction. What we'll do is find the center point for the hole that hinge goes through. And it's like 2 1/4. The numbers on here are really hard to see. One of these days we'll get a new one of these.
That little gap because you're going to run this to cover that exposed opening in the tube?
Yes. We're going to notch this out so that this will slide underneath to cover that up.
This is one of our more extensive projects. So we're going to try and do step by step. We really want to try and show you the process that we use to do this project, because it's a learning experience for us also. You're going to cut the length off these?
No.
The mark is for you so you know where your center is?
That is going to be where this, yes, not necessarily center, but where the center is going to be located.
For this to go in?
No.
Oh, not that.
This, yes.
Yeah, for this.
Okay, so we have the 2-inch square tube. So at 1 inch, that should be the center point for our hole and our hinge point. So we got extra long 1/8 inch drill bit to put in the drill press so we can do one drill hole that creates a pilot all the way through for our hole saw. So, loaded center punch to create a divot to help prevent the drill bit from wandering. I don't know if you can really see that or not. Creates a little divot right there.
Now what's interesting about this drill press is it is like, it's an old tool shop from Menards. It was like $45, but we've had it for 10 years at least. It's at least 10 years old, and we've drilled through all kinds of stuff with this $45 basically throwaway drill press. So
it is a little bit underpowered, but just take your time and you can go through some stuff with it.
It takes a bit, but hey, we've definitely got our $45 out of it, that's for sure.
So,
one down. Started.
it's fairly straight. Alright, made it through. Let's clean it up and see if it fits. Moment of truth. Super tight fit. A little bit of filing and it should be able to work. I'm not gonna try and force it in at this moment.
Okay, after quite a bit of filing, got her to fit. One more to go. All right, so phase one of this project is complete. Probably the hardest part.
Yeah, it's definitely something that you want to have pretty precise. That way, you know, there's no misalignment. It looks like it's doing all right. Nice and tight, because that's gonna loosen up. So.